Good morning, welcome to another week's vlog. I've got a donut shop regular K-cup and am in my I don't do basic mug. So we're gonna make some coffee. So welcome to another week's vlog. Like I said, it is Monday. I had a little bit of a late night, so I'm kind of tired, but I did leave myself enough time this morning to start editing a video, and then I'm going to film my gratis because it will probably already be up. I'll give you guys like a little sneaky peeky. So it actually came in a Stila bag. We had some of these. We had different bags, but I got a Stila one. And we've got all sorts of goodies. Look at that. So I got some really awesome stuff. I'm excited for that, but I needed to wake up. I'm gonna have some coffee, work on my laptop for a little while, and then I am going to get ready for work. I do work this evening, and I work tomorrow. I'm off Wednesday, and then I think I'm off starting Saturday for the beach, but I don't go until Sunday, so I've got a day to like prepare and all that stuff, get ready and make sure that all my videos are lined up, and I still got a lot of work to do. So over the next few days, I've really gotta be getting the videos completely done, even if it's just, you know, 2 or 3, whatever, to hold me over. And I have one that I'm excited to work on, but just a little different, so we'll see. But I'm gonna just basically hang out, work on my laptop, and then get ready, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it is now Tuesday night. I am off tomorrow, so I am working on getting a video exported right now. Ooh, I decided to go black. So I'm gonna have a gratis haul going up for you momentarily because it should only take a couple more minutes, and then I can upload it for you guys. I'm like obsessed now, so I had to go to Michael's and get some more of these. This one is so cute, and see if you guys can guess what picture I'm gonna post with this one. So there's a product that's gonna go well with this. Or I may have already posted it. I don't know, I don't think so though. I got this one with raccoons. I just really love raccoons, and the little arrows are really cute too. I have no idea what I'll use that for, but it was super cute. I got this like aqua blue glitter because why not? Look how pretty. I got the gold cacti, really cute. This one's double-sided, so lemons. That's what caught my eye, but then this would be definitely cute to use for something as well. But look at those lemons. I got the cherries. That one's also double-sided, pink and white stripes. Ooh, that's a surprise. I got these stripes, and then the other side has little rainbows and clouds. It's really cute. This one has hearts on both sides, but 2 different prints. This one has little clouds. No idea what I'll use that for. This one's got like a honeycomb design on it. This one is a crazy like holographic. It kind of looks pinkish, like from that hopefully you can see, but then it's got this crazy like holographic rainbow showing up through it. And then I got these macaroons, which there's like a super rude lady who works at Michael's, and she like was kind of like careless throwing it in there. This is my little background haul. And I also picked nobody. No. Okay, let me pick these up for you. No. No, these are not for laying. He will lay on all of them and bend them with his tiny with his tiny with his tiny paws of fury. Nobody. No, I'm sorry. I'll get you some paper to lay on. How about that? Can we just, okay, not these. I got another one of these smooshy mushies, and yeah, we're gonna see which one I got. Excuse me, you're blacking out the entire camera. Okay, there we go. I got a little tear in it, so we're gonna tear into it more. I gotta pick that up so we won't eat it. What'd I get? I got the one I wanted. It's the little drumstick, and he's a little squishy, and he comes with a little blue chain. Little drumstick.
Manners, don't huff and puff. Do not lay on those. I know what you're doing. You're trying to lay on my teeny tiny backgrounds. Do not do it. I will be very upset with Mr. Minutes. Okay, you're still thinking about it, huh? Thank you. You're such a good boy. Look at him laying right next to him. Such a good boy. And look at the drumstick.
Here's my drumstick, and I'm going to go get this video up, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Saturday. I wanted to sit down and vlog. I did actually go out today and run errands, but it was one of the most... Hey, you wanna go out? All right, baby. Bye-bye. Anybody coming in? You wanna come in, Sniffies? Do you wanna come in or are you staying out? Okay, come on. Yeah, you can go back there. Sorry, cat traffic control. So I took my camera with me, and it was just one of those days like I cannot focus on anything. And right now it's like 8 o'clock at night and I have not filmed a thing. I was gonna get like 2 or 3, maybe even 4 different videos filmed today, and that way I could start editing, and then like in my downtime, like before I go to sleep while I'm at the beach, I could edit a little bit. It is just not happening today, but I am gonna film a video. Hey buddy, you wanna tell him hi? No, rude. Sorry that this vlog is just gonna be like super simple, but next week's vlog is gonna be partly my beach trip, and so hopefully that will be more interesting for you guys. But I'm gonna film what's in my beach bag. Look at the adorable beach bag I found. Only $8 at Ross. Gotta admit, like, they have some good deals sometimes, and I love the big rope straps. Like, it looks like this. So I'm about to film that sneaky peeky, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it is Sunday morning. I'm about to have some coffee. It is not quite 9 o'clock. I was up a little bit late last night, but I'm gonna have some coffee, and I'm actually going to start working on this vlog so that I can also edit some other videos and not worry about filming the rest of the day, because I am going to my parents this evening. I don't know what time I'm gonna go. I'm probably gonna try to get there before it gets dark, because my headlight needs replaced, and I think my dad's gonna take care of it while we're at the beach, because he's not going. He's not a beachy person. So I think I'm gonna do that, so that way I won't be driving with just one headlight. Everything's a mess. I have so much to do, and I just feel like I'm not doing, like, I really like to go. If I'm going somewhere, I want my house clean. You know, I want all my laundry put away. I have stuff everywhere. Like, my house is a disaster. Especially this room, my vanity room, is a complete disaster. I wish I had a whole nother day just to like organize, clean up, pick up, get ready, and edit some more. So yeah, it's just annoying, but it's cool. I get to go to the beach. We actually leave tomorrow morning, which is Monday, super early. So I'll start vlogging tomorrow for the new week, so you guys will have a much better vlog. Thank you so much. If you did stick till the end of this one, thank you. I know it was just like a boring, not really happening kind of vlog, but next week is beach trip, and honestly that one may not be that exciting either, because we're literally just going to be at the beach. There's nothing that special about it. We're not like doing anything super crazy like shopping or anything like that. This is just one of those trips where you just go to the beach, hang out, sit under the umbrella, have some drinks. That's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.